No, that's bullshit. That's fucking loud. Did you close the door as well? No, you're okay. Yeah, that's Unit C, babe. No, that's all Unit C. Here, can you take this phone for me? I need to go use the restroom and take my phone.
Okay.
If anything, I'll just kick down the door.
No, if anything, we will just knock on their door and be a little bit irritated with them and pissed off.
When I go and knock on that door, they're gonna get a lot worse than my mouth.
So, yeah. So, yeah, I'm blind right now, and I'm waiting for Token to get back so that we can wait for the cops together. I can't see shit. I don't even know what I'm pointing the camera at. I'm hoping I'm pointing it at something that you guys can see. So, yeah. I'm right here. I've just been standing still. I don't know if I was pointing at anything or not.
No, I'm just recording. Cops want to sit there and record me, I'll record them. I've already gotten their fucking unit. I've already put their unit all over blast.
I mean, they're nice people and all, but this is just a little bit ridiculous.
No, they're not nice. There is only one person out of that entire unit that is actually nice. The other ones were the ones who called the cops on us because, oh, they're arguing.
All I know is I've only had introductions with them.
Yeah, that was that one nice one that you spoke with. The one that was actually worried about your health.
Yeah, the female.
Yes. There's two females that live there. There's a female and a couple.
I don't know. All I know is it's just